Welcome to Quiz&Prize channel. Welcome to the Animal Challenge. Test your animal knowledge and see how many you can get right. Comment your score for a chance to win a prize. Let's begin. Which animal is stronger, tiger or lion? The answer is tiger. Which animal sleeps through the winter, bear or snake? The answer is bear. Who has more arms, octopus or squid? The answer is octopus. Whose bite is strongest, lion or shark? The answer is shark. Which animal can sleep while flying, swift or bat? The answer is swift. Which one is the most dangerous, lion or mosquito? The answer is mosquito. Which one has black skin, leopard or polar bear? The answer is polar bear. Who can sleep for 3 years, snail or ant? The answer is snail. Which can fly backward, sparrow or hummingbird? The answer is hummingbird. Which mammal glides through the air, flying squirrel or hedgehog? The answer is flying squirrel. Who can jump the highest, kangaroo or flea? The answer is flea. Who has the longest neck, giraffe or camel? The answer is giraffe. Who can change its color, chameleon or turtle? The answer is chameleon. Who can walk on water, lizard or frog? The answer is lizard. Can you find the odd one out? Found the odd one out. Who has the biggest ears, elephant or gorilla? The answer is elephant. Who can regrow a last arm, starfish or crab? Kathy's answer is starfish. Who builds dams, beaver or otter? The answer is beaver. Who carries its baby in a pouch? Kangaroo or panda? The answer is kangaroo. Who can shoot ink, squid, or seal? The answer is squid. Who can hang upside down from trees, bat, or squirrel? The answer is bat. Who can puff up its body, pufferfish or dolphin? The answer is pufferfish. Who can roll into a ball, armadillo or fox? The answer is armadillo. Who can see better in low light, cat or dog? The answer is cat. Can you spot the differences? Spotted correct differences. Who can carry heavy loads, ant or beetle? The answer is ant. Who has a horn on its nose, rhinoceros or elephant? The answer is rhinoceros. Who can spin a web, spider or butterfly? The answer is spider. Who has a very long tail, monkey or bear? The answer is monkey. Who can stick to walls, gecko or rabbit? The answer is gecko. Who can run on two legs, ostrich or turkey? The answer is ostrich. Who can hold its breath for a long time, whale or horse? The answer is whale. Who can swim faster, dolphin or penguin? The answer is dolphin. Who has a stronger shell, turtle or lobster? The answer is turtle. Who is better adapted to desert life, camel or fennec fox? The answer is camel.
Like the video. Subscribe. Click the bell button to get notification.
Thanks for watching. Comment your score below for a chance to win a prize. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more videos.